She said I hate my day job, I don't feel it, I need race car. Top down to match my ceiling, I don't have none. Dollar billies, one time. She said I hate my day job, I don't feel it, I need race car. Top down to match my ceiling, I don't have none, have none. Dollar billies in my bag run, fuck your feelings, I need tax.
Welcome to Downshift. This year we're taking things up a notch in two major ways. First is bringing on my friend Paolo to help show you all the best and the rest of the vehicles we test. Second is in the form of a build series on the 4Runner I bought, and as that evolves, we'll continuously benchmark it against Paolo's Wrangler JKU. So strap in, hit that subscribe button, and here's Paolo and his Jeep.
Hi, my name is Paolo. This is my 2015 Wrangler. I've known Matt since high school, which is about 12 years. We weren't always friends throughout the whole time, I guess best friends throughout the whole time. He was always in my shadow, you know, kind of my Robin to my Batman. So I'm glad to finally see him, you know, seeing some success with YouTube. So I'm happy for him. Previous cars, in high school, I had an Infiniti G35, straight out of Tokyo Drift. Wide body APR kit on it, super impractical for Wisconsin. I only drove it like 3 months out of the year, but I loved it. Sick purple color too. We'll actually show a photo somewhere. It was nice though. Then I had a Jeep Cherokee for a little bit, like a 99, like just like a really simple lift and like some 31s on it, I think. And then I had an Audi Prestige S4, which I really loved that. Super reliable, at least from like what I experienced. Great like ride quality, like really good build quality. It was a 2010 and it like had all the features that I needed inside. Like I loved that thing. It was pretty quick, but I traded it in for this thing, which was like a complete 180. It's kind of funny. I didn't have any extended warranty on my Audi, so I just was trying to avoid a expensive repair bill. So I got this 2015 Wrangler, mainly because I know that this specific engine and chassis and year was pretty reliable. Repair bills wouldn't be that expensive. I love the look of a Wrangler. I love the ability to like be able to take the doors off, the roof off. With my Audi, I was like always afraid to park next to cars to like get door dinged. Like I really don't care if someone door dings me in this. Also trying to like branch out and do more camping, overlanding stuff. So like this just seemed like the perfect vehicle at the time. Curious to see if like I want a Bronco. Maybe, probably. So what came on it when I bought it is I kind of wanted to buy a half-built, bought not built. So it had some 35-inch tires on it, some mud terrain tires. It had some fake beadlock rims. It had some Bilstein shocks on it, like a 3-inch lift. It had all the armor that you see on it, so the front bumper, the rear bumper. It had the sliders, like the rail guard, the rock guards. What else? Oh, it had the winch as well, the Smittyville winch. But what I have done to it is put these new Pro Comp matte black rims on it, which I really like those. Some Nitto Ridge Grapplers, 35-inch. I like them. The road noise is a lot less than the previous mud terrain tires that I had on here. They don't handle the best in the winter though. And what else have I done to it? Oh, I put the fender flares on versus a stock just to give it some more clearance and just give it a better look overall. I also have a JKS quick disconnect sway bar for the front sway bar, you know, if I ever get into like some real rough terrain. And then I also have, I did an AEV geometry correction bracket for the front long arms. Basically just like help with handling and ride quality. And then most recently I did a pretty big upgrade. I did 456 Yukon gears in the front and rear axle, and a true track limited slip diff in the rear to just make it more versatile. Kind of kicking myself, like I wish I got the Rubicon, because trying to like get it to a Rubicon's capability is like quite expensive. And then I also got the C-Gus welded just for like front axle strength, since it's not as strong as the rear one, but that kind of quite expensive. But that's everything that I've done to it. We're gonna kind of do like a build series, 4Runner versus my Jeep Wrangler. Try and identify like what Matt needs to upgrade to his 4Runner to get it more capable off-road for when we do some more fun excursions. Like we have a couple planned, you know, trip out to Colorado, things like that. So excited to help him with his build and put these two head to head. It's going to be a fun journey. What else? Please help Matt realize that fake beadlock is not the way. It's so ugly. Right?
Why are we giving you a platform to see?
But right? It is though, right? Oh, it's so cringe.
Color match to the wheel, so you can't tell.
That's not as bad as like if it was silver, but it's still pretty bad.
I'll be honest.
It's like, no, this is literally what it'd be like. It would be like if I put a Rubicon sticker on right now. Or like when people own a no, the one that own like a C60, or a C300, and they put a C63 badge on it. It's just like,
I don't know if it's exactly the
we sees it. Yeah, no. But anyway.